So hey guys, welcome back to the channel and we're going to continue discussing about the phonemes. For this week, the one that we're going to see is theta. So you can see here the physical representation of theta. So this is one of the two sounds that can be created by joining the th letters. Some of the examples are think, thing, thaw, worth, and mouth. Seeing a little more about how to produce the sound, we're going to see the place of articulation. So theta is interdental or dental. This means that it's produced by placing the thumb between your teeth. Overall, we're going to use the upper teeth and the thumb. Then we're going to say that it's fricative. Why fricative? Because in order to produce the sound, we're going to exhale the air through our mouth. And finally, we will say that it's voiceless. Why voiceless? Because there is no vibration on the vocal cords when you produce the sound. This is just a rough guide, guys, about how to do it and how to see a little more about the phonemes. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up and peace.